So we're installing the all-new Topspeed version 2 in a Nissan Terra. We're using 8804. This is for Nissan Navara 2007 up to the current Nissan Navara. And this is also compatible with your Terra. And so, already have your installer who's trying to connect the chip. Okay, so this is how easy it is. You just need to, can you see it? To connect it to your throttle sensor. Okay, so this is how it looks. Okay, let's see. Okay, the back of your pedal, you can see your throttle socket, and I hope you can see it in the video. Just make sure that it's securely clipped on and inserted, and it sits well because the pins need to be connected. Otherwise, if you're running your vehicle, it will be loose. So make sure that it's securely connected or plugged. So no need to worry with your warranty because this is plug and play. So usually our dealers or casa just voids your warranty if you splice your wire, especially if your vehicle is new. Okay, let me see. Hopefully you can see the video clearly. Okay, so the throttle socket needs to be securely fit. It's sitting at the back of your pedal. So once you hear the clicking sound, it means to say that it's securely fit. And make sure that your engine is off while you're installing or plugging your Topspeed to avoid any problems with your vehicle. So once it's connected, connect the cable to your Topspeed controller. Since the accessories is off in this vehicle, let's just turn it on first so that this will turn on. Again, do not turn on your engine, just turn on the accessories. Okay, so we're using the key, just rotate it, and you will know that the accessories is on if you see those lights flashing now, and if your head unit is also on, and you can see your Topspeed controller is on as well. Okay, so now is the time for our dear client to, so we have our dear client here. Hello, sir. And let's download the Topspeed app.
Already downloaded.
Oh, it's already downloaded. Okay. And let's scan the barcode or turn on the Bluetooth. Please bind the device. Then let's click on the this one, sir.
This one.
Device. Then let's scan the barcode. Okay. Scan barcode. Then click on allow. Okay, so we already scanned the barcode, then click on connect. Okay, then it's already connected once you see the green Bluetooth there. And sir, pwede nyong i-test to make sure na nag-work siya at nag-move din yung controller natin. Okay, tapos sir, let's make sure na updated yung firmware natin. Let's go to settings,
and
then up version. Kapag walang nangyari sa up version, it means to say na updated, the most updated version. So if ever na nakita nyo meron ng update or version, just make sure that the engine is off bago natin siya i-update.
Okay.
Or during the update. Okay, so connected yung Topspeed, connected here. I-turn on na natin, sir, yung sasakyan natin. Okay, then let's also check for any errors if you see anything on the screen. So for everything is well, then our dear client will do a test drive afterwards. Okay, thank you very much, sir. Ano, test drive kayo? Okay, sige. Ano, sama ako. Sir, pasama ha? Ay, hindi pala. O sige, wag na. Sana lang, sana lang. Ano, sige, sige po. Okay na.